Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shel Waggener. I'm the Chief Information Officer and Associate Vice Chancellor here at UC Berkeley, and I'm also the founder of a project for the Kuali Foundation called Kuali Continuity. That initiative is an incubator project for the foundation, and we're going to try something a little different. Many of you have been involved in community source projects before. We've seen a lot of success in the uPortal project and subsequently in the Sakai initiative, and now with Kuali we have a lot of joint development going on. We have development for the finance organization, and we have a number of schools that have gone live with a very large finance implementation that was developed by many different universities working together. We have the COIAS project, Kuali COIAS, which is research administration. That came from a code base developed by MIT and is now a community source development initiative. But as we move into the next generation of software, we have some new projects going on. The Kuali Student Project is writing code from the ground up based on leveraging web services. So it's taking the community development model and using new technologies as a base for their efforts. Well, as we move further forward and into the future, the big buzz right now is cloud computing. So what is cloud computing going to mean for community development? Well, I don't think any of us really know, but we do know that there's an opportunity there to do above campus services. So basically take the expertise of the IT community that benefits higher education and move some of the services from independently developed and delivered locally to developed and shared globally. So we move them above the campus. To do that, we have to have some models to try. We can develop software and then give everybody the software and have everybody run them locally. That's what we do today. But if you start to offer it above the campus, maybe we offer software that uses common objects or common modules and reuses them. Well, the Continuity Project, we're going to try to move it entirely above the campus. And what we mean by that is, rather than a traditional development model, you will contribute to a subscription service through the foundation, and then the foundation will procure or provide for you the software to be delivered over the web, above the cloud, so that you will have your requirements met not by running it locally at your institution, but actually by having it run by the Kuali Foundation. And the Kuali Foundation will enlist participating institutions to serve as the providers for that project. So Berkeley is one of the initial institutions. We have many others that are interested in this, in fact, both inside of higher ed and out. And what we're inviting you to do today is to explore working with us on a subscription service at a very low cost for you to get business continuity planning for your institution without having to develop any software and without having to write a ton of interfaces. We plan on making it a standard open source product, so if you want to write to it and reuse some of the code, you'll be able to, but you can also simply get it subscribed and delivered to your customers, your constituents, over the web directly to your campus. We plan on having it integrated with common middleware infrastructures like identity management, the in-common federation, so that you'll be able to use all of your campus's access tools to go directly and access the project, as well as modern architecture, so we will be writing it, as I said, in open source software tools that your departments and folks will be able to review openly and easily. You'll need to be a member of the Kuali Foundation. The Kuali board has sponsored this as an incubator project, so if you want to participate, we'll ask you to join the Kuali projects and the Kuali Foundation. You can see more about that at kuali.org, or you can participate in any of our webinars that talk about how we're going to be moving forward on this project, and we're looking for some partnering sponsors to work with us, other institutions who want to make sure that we get the design right. The code is already in use. We've developed it, and we have 100+ institutions that have downloaded it. So we know the code is there and ready to be used. Now the question is, can we move it to an above the campus service? We hope you'll join us up in the clouds and give it a chance. Thanks very much. Again, I'm Shel Waggener from the Kuali Foundation.